Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Nikhil Oberai and I'm here to speak to you about how to elevate your implant dentistry. We're going to take you through a journey of how to restore implants, to how to place implants and how to become a master. So how are we going to do this? We've developed a program for you which is into 3 tiers: level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 1 is for those people who are just starting out in dental implants and want to learn how to restore and carry out simple procedures such as grafting as well. How we're going to deliver the level 1 program is we're going to divide this into 3 modules, and each module will have lectures that are delivered on an online basis, and we will then follow that up with contact days. We will all come together to make sure that we all understand what we're talking about. We then have a level 2 program. A level 2 program is for those people who want to start to place dental implants straight away. Now we have limited numbers for level 2, so we only have 5 people that we can take on. And what's going to happen is I'm going to show you how to place implants for patients that I am going to provide for you. So I guarantee that we're going to be placing a minimum of 5 implants per delegate on this course. We then have the final program, which is a level 3 program. The level 3 program is going to be delivered in the practice where you come and shadow me. And what happens there is we go through treatments such as full arch implants. We talk about complex prosthodontic work, combining different elements such as Invisalign and clear aligners with implants, and how we integrate that into your practice. So I look forward to working with you, and if you guys are interested, drop me a message and we can take things forward.